Italy, a land where history, culture, and natural beauty converge to create an unparalleled experience. The name itself conjures up images of rolling hills, sun-drenched vineyards, and a landscape that seems to be painted by the hands of the gods. Ancient ruins bathed in golden light tell tales of a bygone era, where emperors and gladiators once roamed. It's a country that has captivated travelers for centuries, and for good reason. Every corner of Italy is steeped in history, and brimming with stories waiting to be discovered. From its vibrant cities, bustling with life and energy, to its charming villages that offer a glimpse into a simpler, more tranquil way of life, Italy offers a feast for the senses. The aroma of freshly baked bread, the taste of world-renowned wines, and the sight of colorful markets brimming with fresh produce. Get ready to be swept away by the Italian charm, where every street and alleyway has a story to tell, and every moment is a memory in the making. A captivating blend of art, history, and culture awaits you, from the masterpieces of the Renaissance to the architectural wonders that have stood the test of time, and of course, delectable cuisine that has earned Italy a place in the hearts of food lovers around the world. Italy is a country that truly has it all. Its diverse landscapes range from the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-kissed beaches of the Mediterranean. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient ruins that whisper secrets of the past, indulging in world-class art and architecture that span centuries, or simply soaking up the Mediterranean sun on a pristine beach, Italy has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, prepare your senses for an adventure, grab your appetite for exploration and discovery, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Italy, a journey that promises to leave you enchanted, inspired, and longing for more. Our first stop takes us to Rome, the Eternal City. Known for its unparalleled history and culture, Rome is a city that has stood the test of time. From its ancient ruins to its bustling modern streets, every corner of Rome tells a story. Rome is a place where history comes alive. The Roman Forum, once the center of public life, now stands as a silent witness to the grandeur of ancient Rome. Walking through these ruins, you can almost feel the presence of the great emperors and citizens who once walked these streets. Walking through the ruins of the Colosseum, you can almost hear the roar of the crowds and the clash of gladiators' swords. This iconic amphitheater, built nearly 2,000 years ago, hosted some of the most spectacular events of the ancient world. It's a place where history and legend intertwine, offering a glimpse into the past. The Pantheon, with its awe-inspiring dome, is a testament to the architectural genius of the Romans. Originally built as a temple to all the gods, it has stood the test of time and remains one of the best-preserved ancient buildings in Rome. The oculus at the top of the dome allows natural light to flood the interior, creating a serene and almost mystical atmosphere. And no trip to Rome would be complete without tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain, ensuring your return to this magical city. This Baroque masterpiece, with its intricate sculptures and cascading waters, is a symbol of Rome's enduring charm. Legend has it that tossing a coin with your right hand over your left shoulder guarantees a return visit to Rome. Remember to make a wish. As you stand by the fountain surrounded by the beauty and history of Rome, take a moment to reflect on the city's timeless allure. Whether it's your first visit or your 100th, Rome always has something new to offer, making every trip a unique and unforgettable experience. Next, we journey to Venice, a city unlike any other. Built on a series of canals, Venice is a city that seems to float on the water. Gondolas glide silently through the narrow waterways, their gentle rocking a soothing lullaby. Visit St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice, and marvel at the intricate facade of St. Mark's Basilica. Don't forget to indulge in some delicious cicchetti, small snacks served in Venetian bars. Section 4. Florence, the cradle of Renaissance. Our journey continues to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. This city, nestled in the heart of Tuscany, is a living museum, where every street and building tells a story of artistic and cultural rebirth. As you walk through its cobblestone streets, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, where great minds like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo once roamed. Florence is an art lover's paradise. The city is home to countless museums, galleries, and studios where artists continue to draw inspiration from the Renaissance masters. Whether you're admiring the intricate sculptures or watching a painter at work, the spirit of creativity is palpable. The Duomo, with its iconic dome by Brunelleschi, dominates the city skyline. This architectural marvel took over 140 years to complete and remains a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Climbing to the top offers a breathtaking view of Florence, a site that has inspired countless artists and writers. Inside the Uffizi Gallery, you'll find masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. This gallery is one of the most important art museums in the world, housing an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art. Each painting and sculpture tells a story, capturing the essence of an era that changed the course of history. And be sure to visit the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence spared from destruction during World War II, now home to charming shops. This historic bridge, with its unique architecture and vibrant atmosphere, offers a glimpse into the city's rich past and its enduring charm. As you stroll across, you'll find jewelers, art dealers, and souvenir shops, each adding to the bridge's unique character. Section 5, Tuscany, where rolling hills meet culinary delights. Finally, we escape to the rolling hills of Tuscany. Tuscany is a region of breathtaking beauty, with its vineyards, olive groves, and charming villages. Take a cooking class and learn the secrets of Tuscan cuisine. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at a local trattoria, savoring the flavors of fresh pasta, ripe tomatoes, and locally produced olive oil. Tuscany is a feast for the senses. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it for more.